Today is a special day. We are having Mr. Can
Yeah,
you tell us your name?
I'm Mr. Emmanuel. So, forex trading is all about forex trading, and it has to do with risk management, trading plan, and trading psychology. So, even though you are the best trader, if you didn't stick to your trading plan, you will still lose in the forex market because the forex market is very volatile and it can also um, disturb your emotion in terms of trading. For example, if you are having a streak of losses in a day, maybe you take like 2 or 3 trades and you didn't stick to your trading plan, your emotion will change to always try to revenge your trade, like trying to get back what you have. And in that aspect, you get liquidated, you blow your account. So that is some of the common mistake that is common to all forex traders. But we that have stayed long in the business, we have trading plan we stick to. We have blown our accounts for over and over and again. So we have already discovered that this is the one of our disadvantage that can lead us to losing money in forex. So we also fight by avoiding that. But for a newcomers in the trading aspect, we always cultivate that habit, but there's always a discipline. When you are disciplined enough, maybe you have 2 losses in a day, you take in probability. If you stick to your trading plan, taking the probabilities in the sense that tomorrow will be a better day, and before the end of that week you see yourself recovering your previous losses and also be in profit. So working on your psychology also is very important. When you take a trade, you don't try to babysit your phone or babysit your computer looking at that trade. It will be because when you stay longer in the on your screen trying to look for more trade opportunity. When you place trades, it will also change your mindset trying to place multiple trades, and that can result to blowing off your account. So, and forex trade is very good. It can make you a millionaire. It can also make you a billionaire in dollar, not even in naira. So what is there is that when you have a proper risk management plan, like me now, I don't lose, I don't risk more than 5% per trade. And if I'm risking 5%, my risk reward ratio is always 1:3, which means if I'm risking $5, I should be expecting to get $15. That is times three of what I'm risking. And imagine yourself having $1,000, risking $1,000. You can also make $3,000 depending on your account size. So it's a rewarding business and one of the best business I've ever seen. A lot of people will drop out from school just to go and learn forex. Most of A lot of people change their business because it will make you to live the kind of lifestyle you wish to live. So it's a very good business I can recommend to anyone. What is there is that you have to get somebody that will be mentoring you, somebody that will be guiding you, that can be reviewing your trade history. Anytime you take trade, any week you have traded, if you have mentor, someone that review your trade history, will tell you where you are wrong, will tell you why you are wrong and what makes you to be wrong. For example, now maybe if I place uh, $20 trade now and I lost that $20, I still place another $20. I still lost it, making $40 loss. But due to I'm a newcomer in the business, my emotion will always change, telling me to increase my risk so that I'll be able to recover the previous losses. And if you try doing that, you end up losing your account. So anytime you have 2 or 3 losses in a day, just close trade for that day. Nobody is always happy to lose money, but when you lose, stick to your trading plan. Think in probability that you always recover, and you see yourself succeeding in forex. For today, I've traded for today, and I also made money, and I'm okay for that day. So the following day, I will also trade. It's not that when you are winning, or you should also have trading plan. And when you achieve some certain profit in a day, you should try to avoid the market, because don't try to give back what the forex has given you by trying to start hoping that if today is your day, start trading, placing trade, random trade. That is not how to trade forex. You trade for, let your trading plan guide you, not you. planning your trade. Let the trade plan for you. Let your trading plan become what you follow for it to become profitable in forex. So that is all about it.
Wow. As you can all hear, Mr. Emmanuel, I only asked him his name and he started downloading the information without even allowing me to ask him questions. You can see how interested he is right now because he just traded. I waited for him to trade and he traded. I saw him calculating some money because he had made money. Now, I will now start my job proper because I know you didn't allow me. Just I said,
Yes, I
can you
understand.
tell us your name and you hit the ground running? Mr. Emmanuel,
Yes,
thank you for this opportunity given to us.
you're
The
welcome.
reason why we invited you is because we have seen and you have explained your experience in forex trading.
Yes,
This place we are now, there will be a training about forex trading. So for you to be here, meaning that you still believe in learning more new things. That's why you are here.
exactly.
Because for me, I'm a novice, I don't know anything. And I can see that you that has all the knowledge about forex trading, you still want more.
Yes,
So what that means to me is that whatever the level you are, whatever intelligent you are, you still need to learn new things.
yes,
Thank
exactly.
you for that and thank you for coming.
You're welcome.
Sir, what I would like you to tell viewers, who are the people do you think that should be doing this trading?
Everybody can, actually, everybody can trade. Nobody is, even if you are, irrespective of the level you are, whether you are a graduate, you are undergraduate, or you are even a primary school student can also learn forex. Somebody that does not know how to read can also make money on forex. So it's not, there's not any qualification. You don't need any level of qualification to make money on forex. So everybody, actually everybody can make money on forex when you put your mind on it.
Okay, why do you think in Nigeria of today, why do you think people should adopt this way of money exchange or money investment?
Because why I think it's better for Nigerians, most of Nigerians to adopt in making money in the financial market is that a lot of Nigerians, they don't get paid to their satisfaction. For example, imagine somebody earning 50,000, 100,000 in a month. You can't afford anything. 100,000 is not up to amount I spend in a week. So for I personally, it's not up to the amount I spend. Sometimes in a day I can spend more than 100,000. So, and when you're talking about the tax you pay, the expenses, your house rent, your children fees, and other your own personal expenses, it's not up to the salary. So I think it's better because there's no limit to amount you can make in forex trading. You can make billions in forex, you can make millions, you can also make thousands. So it's make you to be financially stable. So that's why I recommend people that are people that are still earning in naira to earn in dollar, so you can be free from
Hmm.
financial
because
constraints.
because if you look at the exchange rate these days, it is ideal for people to earn in dollar so that they don't really bother much about the exchange because when you are earning in naira and you have to whatever you need to buy, you understand, by the
Yes,
time you take your naira calculate the exchange rate, the naira is gone. But if you are earning in dollar, that will really make sense because you don't really need to bother because you are earning in dollar. That's my
yes,
own understanding.
yes.
Your own understanding may be different, but that's the way.
It's
So
actually the same thing. So
okay,
we are saying the same thing.
okay, sir, if for example you see in our society now, I was one like that. If I see a young guy, like because you mentioned that anybody, meaning that everybody can do this business.
Yes.
Now, so if I now see a young boy or a young girl or an old woman who has retired and is living well, if I see a young boy driving a jeep, if I see a young girl driving good car, building, doing well in society, am I, do I have 100% right to see that person, that fellow, as yahoo yahoo, or as a prostitute, as a dubious person, because I don't know the source of their income? Do I have, without knowing that there is a platform that can give people opportunity to earn in dollar like this, do I have, because a lot of people in our society see young people that they don't know their source of income, they see them as yahoo yahoo. What's your take on that?
What is there is that for this 20th century we have we need to learn money. We need to know how to make money in online, not offline, because forex trading is more than a lot of fraudsters that are even making millions have adopted the method of trading. They are making more money in forex rather than doing Yahoo. So we cannot judge a book by its cover. Anybody that is riding car, building houses, it has an information that you don't have. And the difference between you and that person is just the information. So some people, when they are with their phone, they are making a lot of money, not by scamming anybody or defrauding anyone, but we also have some people are stock traders. We have forex traders, we have crypto traders. So some people make billions in crypto space. Also, some make billions in forex trade. It's also the same method of trading. The same method of trading crypto is also applicable to the same method of trading forex. So you shouldn't judge, or you shouldn't start looking somebody as somebody that everybody as they are doing well because of their progress. No. So that's
Okay, thank you for that broad light you just shared about people thoughts on people, on other people. Now, what can you tell us, or how long do you think it takes you? We are not saying you should give us figure. How long do you think it takes you to understand how trading work, and what can you say? We are not saying you should mention one or two things, but in percentage, how much would you say this has add value to your finance, it has changed your life in percentage?
it has given, let me say, 99% financially freedom, because so uh, it, for you to learn forex, you need to get mentor, somebody you look up to, somebody that directs you, corrects you. Just like when you were in secondary school or primary school, if they gave you an assignment, you did it wrong, there's always an opportunity for correction. Correction is just like to modify, to correct, and to guide you how you did it wrong and how to do it right. So next time they give you similar question, you'll be able to fail. So for my experience, I can within 1 month, 1 to 2 months, you should be able to learn how to trade for forex profitably, irrespective of the level you are or the intelligence. So it has given me financial freedom. It makes me to, and apart from that, it also give me time, because time is also another investment. Because when you have the time, you can also do learn other things.
Mm.
You can't limit yourself to learning when you have the time. So forex trade will give you time. You'll be free to make it to learn, go to wherever I want to go without being controlled by anybody. Unlike when you are doing salary work, whereby you have to stay till a speculated time before they can release you. So forex trade is good. I recommend it to everybody. And also to learn it, it will take you time. There's no stress in it. So if with the basics, you can start making money. It's not compulsory you get to a level where you need to get to before you start making money for forex. So I have a people that have tutored that they don't know how to read chart. Their own is when they see that this thing is likely to go up, and they're making money, and they are withdrawing every week. So forex trade is good. You can make, in fact, you can learn it in 1 week and start making money.
So here you heard him telling you some of the rules and the ways to, really benefit from trading. It's, a, it's an honor and privilege to have Mr. Emmanuel right here, so that you, if you are one like myself who always believe that the only way to make money is to do 8 to 5, or do laboring, or do any other such of thing, without, I have never thought that trading could be something that will come and change people's life. But this is one person who volunteered to come and testify and trying to educate people who may have interest, and for those that are thinking or having kind of skeptic mind towards forex. So you have heard him say that he recommends forex trading to everybody. So if you have any interest, please, we are not asking him to refill the trading company, so we are not, because we are not doing promo right here. Any trader that you think you love, try learn how they operate, how their platform work, and give it a try, so that you too can get all the benefits other trader and the person of Mr. Emmanuel, all the benefits he has gotten over years, so that you can have same experience as he is. So that is where we are going to cut it off. We are drawing the curtain right here until we have another good testimony to present to you again. I want to say thank you for watching and have a good weekend.
My pleasure meeting you, sir.
Thank you so much for your time, Mr. Emmanuel.
You're welcome.
You hit the ground running, just like our president Tinubu. But we have not seen changes. But you give us good solution to our problem now.
Exactly.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Nice speaking with you.